Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm happy and delighted that you are my YouTube channel today. Today I want to look at how to create a mobile application using MIT App Inventor without coding. This is the first lesson and I want you to please follow through all the lessons in this video on this playlist so that you can be able to understand how to code different mobile applications. Now we're going to code a mobile application using MIT App Inventor. What is MIT App Inventor? Now, MIT App Inventor is a free web-based platform that allows users to create mobile applications using an app for Android devices or for iOS devices without using code. So you don't need to use code when you are creating an app when you are using MIT App Inventor. It is very easy to use. It is designed for beginners, for educators, and people who are interested to build apps. So whenever you pick up your phone and you get to see little icons on your phone which is called apps, you however wonder how these things have been built. Now with MIT App Inventor you can create any app of your choice. When you stick to this video, to the end of this video and to the end of these lessons, you'll be able to see how to build your own app and share it with friends. Now you know what MIT App Inventor is all about, which is a platform we use in building apps. Now let's get started. Now how do we get started on MIT? The first is to go to Google and type MIT App Inventor. When you come to Google or probably your special browser, I use Google Chrome. On your Google Chrome browser, just type MIT App Inventor. When you've typed MIT App Inventor, the next you need to do is it will lead you to this page where you would see a first link. Click on the first MIT App Inventor link and then it will lead you to where you will need to sign up. Sign up using an email. After signing up an email, you will get a message from MIT App Inventor which shows that your registration via your Google email has been accepted. After that is done, you will now be able to be welcomed into a brand new page which looks exactly this way. Now on this, after receiving an email and after being accepted by MIT, you will have this coming up where you need to create apps. When you click on create apps, it will be leading you to the official MIT page where you will now understand the interface. This automatically leads you to this place, and on this stage, MIT stage, is where you'll be building a lot of apps. So what you need to do is to click on create apps. When you click on create apps, it will lead you to this place where you will need to create and understand the interface. So this is the interface, and on this interface you will get to see what the user interface is all about. What is all of these things are what we're using for the user interface, the layout, the media, and all of this what all you'll be using to build your apps. And I will be explaining in the next video, which is our lesson 2 of this video, what all of these key functions, all of these things, what are they used for, and from there we can now get started in building our app. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. See you in the next lesson.